Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today, this amplifier is already out of its box. In fact, if you subscribe to the channel, you would have seen this RXA780 unboxed and all of its accessories previously. What I want to show you is a little bit of a tips and trick. Many of these new amplifiers now come with some plastic covers at the rear, stopping you from being able to add banana plugs or other things like that to it. People are very familiar with using these with bare wire and other methods of attaching things, but banana plugs are still able to be used. It's just that they've added a little simple plastic cover to make it look a bit elegant and perhaps meet some international criteria in the UK. So removing them cleanly and easily without damaging the back has been one of those questions that customers probably ask me every week. So I'm going to do this video to show people how. Okay, it's actually really easy. You use a small self-tapping screw. Find one in your toolbox, borrow one from the neighbour, whatever it might be. A nice tight self-tapping screw, wood screw, would be an ideal thing to use. It's very simple. The process, you simply put it in, give it sort of a quarter turn, give it a wiggle and a quarter turn, and then use that to pull it out. It's actually simpler than people might think, and I've seen people really hack at this and make a terrible job making a mess of things. Don't use a little screwdriver, don't use a pocket knife. You literally just put it in, little quarter turn, and then give it a tug. They actually come out relatively easily and often don't damage, so if you want to keep them in a little plastic bag you can. Again, following that process, just put it in, give it a wiggle, and it comes out really, really cleanly. It means that your amplifier is not damaged, and it's very straightforward to then add the banana plugs associated with your speaker cable very, very easily. So again, put it in, give it a quick turn, allowing the bite, and then wiggle it, and away you go. Very, very easy, and you end up with a handful of these plastic covers to throw away perhaps, or maybe keep for when you want to resell your amplifier. So there we go. Nice easy tip and trick of how to remove the plastic binding post covers on an RXA780. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.